In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit prices on Printify, offering a comprehensive guide to navigating these adjustments seamlessly. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the Printify website and log into your account. This step is your gateway to accessing all the functionalities that Printify offers, including product management and pricing controls. Once you're comfortably logged in, direct your attention to the left side menu panel. Here you'll find the My Products option. Click on it, and it will lead you to a list of all the products you presently have in your store. It's your central hub for managing everything you've created. Now that you're on your product list page, it's time to select the particular product whose price you intend to tweak. Simply click on the product, which will bring you to a detailed view with various options related to that product. This selection process might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to ensuring you're working with the correct item. In this product details section, you'll want to focus on the Edit Price button. Clicking on this button effectively starts the pricing adjustment processes, bringing up the fields you need to enter your desired pricing changes. At this point, you'll encounter several sections where you can modify not just the product price, but explore the potential to edit the profit margin and, by extension, the profit itself. If maximizing profit or tailoring it to specific business strategies is your goal, these tools are invaluable. For our demonstration, we aim to set a $15 profit on the product. This decision reflects not only your intended price point, but also ties directly into your overall business strategy, ensuring you're adequately rewarded for each sale. Once you've input your desired profit amount, it's time to consolidate those changes. Look for the Apply button and click it, effectively saving the changes and finalizing the price adjustments. After hitting Apply, a crucial step is to double-check your updates. You'll want to click on the product you've just edited once more. This step serves as a safeguard, ensuring all adjustments are correctly reflected in the system, an essential step in maintaining the integrity of your pricing strategies. Finally, if you need to make any further adjustments to options like product size, this would be the appropriate time to do so. Click on Size within the Product Details page if your edits require you to make such a change. In any business operation, meticulousness in these final checks is key to smooth process execution, thus ensuring your store remains up to date with the most effective pricing strategies you've established. And there you have it. A straightforward pathway to editing prices on Printify that equips you to manage your store effectively and strategically.